Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we are going to fix the issue that your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova are very quiet. Actually, this is a very easy issue to fix. At first, check if your phone isn't muted or just has low, very low volume level. If it doesn't, we can move to the next step, but I know that it may be irritating, but some of the people around the world just can miss this issue and just don't know. Just forget about the volume level in the phone itself and just try to fix the headphones. And I did it personally sometimes when I had the Android phone then. So yeah, remember that this is possible. So the second tip from me to you is that you can charge them. Plug them to your power outlet using the USB Type-C or charge them wirelessly. Doesn't matter, just try to charge them to the maximum level. Wait for example 1 hour, 2 hours or something like that. This is very helpful. And as the final tip from me to you is that here, if you tap this touch panels, touch areas, this ROG 4 times, you'll see here the red LED lights indicating the factory reset. Now they are factory reset, so I can't reset them, but here you should see the red LED light playing 3 or 4 times, and they should be factory resetted. Unpair them from your phone, pair them again, and they should be working fine. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.